Okay, welcome back to SA Manage. I'm doing another guided walkthrough. Yesterday I did a guided walkthrough on how to create an incident and taking you through this SaaS product that's on offer for a help desk. So this is a software as a service product called SA Manage, and I must admit, I've had a real good look around to try and gauge what I was actually going to do some guided walkthroughs on. And so, I've taken an obvious one, which is a help desk, so create an incident. I am a test manager, so I can relate to it. What I'm going to do probably on the next over-the-shoulder video will probably be to look at some of the configuration, because I think this is one of the things that this type of service could be used for. So a guided walkthrough guide is best placed for learning about things that you wouldn't necessarily get training on. You would pay SA Manage perhaps, or perhaps a freelance consultant to come in and configure it for you. But I'm quite of the idea that I think the configuration is probably where creating guides for that could actually be quite good, and be quite interesting for if you were getting SA Manage or any perhaps Salesforce derivative application. You could actually use the admin side of it probably more as well, and it's going to be something that's probably not available. But anyway, so here we are. Here's our desktop, and as you can see here, I've got this little self-help tab. If I pull that out, okay, now you can see I have SA Manage Walkthrough Guide, and then just at the top here, you can't see it. I could possibly move my screen up a bit. Nope, it's not going to work. So you have to take my word for it. This is raise an incident. So you may have a list of guides here. Remember the tags? Well, I've asked this self-help tab to take all tags with SA Manage under it, which I've done too. So raise an incident. So here we go. So first thing it says to do on this particular one is click on more info. So I click on the more info tab. And now it says click on new incident, create a new incident on behalf of a caller. So this is step 2 of 13. Okay, so I'll select new incident. So now it's saying to select a category. Okay, I've done that, so select next. Now it's saying to select a subcategory. Let's do that on recruiting. Now hit next. Now it's saying to enter in a title. Since I'm showing you the self-help, I thought I'd just put that in there. Now you can see it's actually scrolled down, so it's scrolled down to the next field. So write a description of the incident, make sure you attach any screenshots in the last step. A later step, we walk you through it. Right. So I'll just take literally, come on copy, come on paste. Nope. I could cheat. I can't cheat. Okay. Right, next. Let's take me down to the bottom. I'm going to make this a low priority. Not really bothered. So click next. Now I could have had that one selection, but then this box would have appeared after that one disappeared. Right? So that's why I didn't do it on that one. 12. Click on attach files if you got any files to attach. I don't, so we'll just hit next. It says create incident. So I've created the incident. Okay. So there we go. Test title self-help. So there we go. Low priority. Okay. And then this here just says to hit the dashboard. You can't see it. It's on the side of the screen. I haven't got it moved over, but basically it's saying I go back to service desk and I go back to my dashboard. Then you can see my newest incident is test self-help, human resources. Okay, and it's giving me some really nice other sort of cool things on here, graphs and things. I must admit I quite like the SA Manage application. It's probably one of my favorites that I've seen so far, hence why I picked it to do some of these guided walkthroughs. I am interested in talking to anyone else out there that would like me to do a couple of these guided walkthroughs for them. Of course, if you do choose to take it up, then we could always pass the guides back over to you. So be interesting to hear. As you can see here, you got changes, you got releases, so any CRs that your company raised, you can put them through here. Then that goes into a particular release and you can manage that through. And then of course the solutions that you're putting in place, and then your service catalog here as well. So what type of service requests have you got? As you can see, new laptop requests, increase the mailbox size. Okay, so this could be a queue that everybody kind of works on, but we'll save that for another day. So this is Brett Robinson and showing you guided walkthrough from the user's point of view. Okay, so don't forget that that self-help tab will always be available over here once we install it. Once you have the browser plugin installed and everything available, which I haven't done it on this one yet, this site, because I want to do some more guides and I want to show something a little bit different. So I haven't actually done that, but it will actually appear, not this one, this is SA Manage, but it will actually appear as self-help over here. And you just slide it out like I showed you earlier, okay, and then that will be available. So that's it. Okay, thanks a lot. Cheers then.